Hey, hi everyone.
Hi, it feels really good to be here again.
Hmm, today's topic is deep, very deep. We're talking about understanding emotions in love.
Yeah, and honestly, I think this is something people talk about a lot, but don't always truly understand.
Exactly. We say love is beautiful, love is amazing, but we don't always talk about the emotions behind it, the fear, the insecurity, the joy, the confusion.
The overthinking.
Oh, yes, the overthinking.
That one is my specialty.
Really?
Oh, yes, I can create 10 problems in my head in 5 minutes.
That's impressive. Not healthy, but impressive.
Thank you, thank you.
Hmm, but that's actually a good place to start. Emotions begin inside us. Before we even speak to our partner, something is already happening internally.
Yes, I think the first step is noticing your own feelings, and that sounds simple, but it's not.
It's not. Sometimes you just feel off, and someone asks, "What's wrong?" And you say, "I don't know." And you really don't know.
Exactly. So maybe the first real skill in love is emotional awareness, asking yourself quietly, what am I feeling right now?
Am I sad? Am I tired? Am I jealous? Am I scared?
Or even, am I happy but afraid to admit it?
That's powerful. Why would someone be afraid to admit happiness?
Because happiness makes you vulnerable. When you care deeply, you risk losing.
Wow, yeah, that's true. The more you love, the more you risk.
I remember in one relationship, I felt so happy, but I was also anxious, and I didn't understand why.
What was it?
I was afraid it would end, so instead of enjoying the happiness, I was protecting myself from possible pain.
That's so human. We try to control emotions to avoid suffering.
But controlling emotions too much creates distance.
Yes, because your partner feels something is missing.
That's why sharing feelings is important, even imperfectly, even with hesitation.
Like saying, I don't fully understand what I'm feeling, but I think I'm a bit overwhelmed.
Exactly, that sentence alone creates intimacy.
Intimacy is not just physical, it's emotional transparency.
Yes, saying, this is me, this is what's happening inside.
Listening is the other side of that, because if someone opens up and you interrupt or judge,
They close immediately.
yes, it's like a door shutting.
I once shared something very personal, and the person started giving advice after 10 seconds.
Oh no.
I didn't need advice, I needed presence.
That's such an important difference. Fixing versus listening.
Sometimes the most powerful response is just, I hear you.
Or that must be hard.
Empathy is magic.
It really is, trying to imagine what your partner feels, even if you don't feel the same.
People experience emotions differently. Two people can live the same situation and feel completely opposite things.
Yes, one sees a challenge as exciting, the other sees it as terrifying.
And neither is wrong.
Respecting that difference is maturity.
What about jealousy?
Oh, big topic.
Yes. I think jealousy is often fear in disguise.
Fear of losing someone, fear of not being enough.
Exactly. And instead of saying, I'm scared, people say, why were you talking to that person?
That creates tension immediately.
But imagine saying, I felt a little insecure earlier.
That invites comfort instead of conflict.
Vulnerability changes the whole dynamic.
It does, but vulnerability is scary.
Very scary. You show your weak side
But that weak side is often the most beautiful part.
because it's real.
Yes, real emotions build real connection.
What about anger?
Hmm, anger is usually a secondary emotion.
Meaning,
Behind anger, there's often hurt or fear.
so when someone shouts, maybe they're actually feeling pain.
Exactly. And if we respond with shouting,
Fire meets fire.
but if we respond with calm curiosity,
The fire slowly decreases.
Saying, I see you're upset. Can we talk about it?
That takes strength.
Emotional strength is not about being calm all the time. It's about coming back to calm after strong feelings.
I like that. Coming back to calm.
Yes, because emotions are waves. They rise and they fall.
That's beautiful.
Thank you.
Silence is also interesting in relationships. Some people are afraid of it.
Yes, they think silence means something is wrong.
But sometimes silence is peaceful.
Comfortable silence is a sign of emotional safety.
Being able to sit together without talking and still feel connected.
That's deep trust.
Another thing is daily emotional check-ins.
Yes, asking, how are you today? And really meaning it.
Small conversations prevent big emotional explosions later.
Exactly. If you ignore small frustrations, they grow.
Emotions need attention like plants need water.
That's a nice image.
Thank you. I'm poetic today.
Yes, you are.
Gratitude also changes emotional energy.
Saying, thank you for being patient with me.
Or, I appreciate how you listened.
Those small sentences create warmth.
And warmth creates security.
Security allows love to grow naturally.
So, understanding emotions and love is not about being perfect.
It's about being aware,
Being honest.
being gentle,
Being curious.
and being brave enough to say, this is how I feel,
Even when your voice shakes.
especially when your voice shakes.
That's powerful.
Love is not just romance, it's emotional teamwork.
Two people learning each other's emotional language.
And that takes time,
Patience.
practice,
And compassion.
for your partner and for yourself.
Because we are all learning.
Every day.
So talk about your feelings.
Listen with attention.
Respect emotions, even the difficult ones.
And remember,
Understanding emotions strengthens love.
slowly,
Gently.
deeply.
Thank you for being here with us.
Take care of your heart.
And the heart of the person you love.
See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.